Hey gang, welcome back to Inverted Pursuits Laboratory. So today we're outside and we're actually going to be doing a test of some charge wells. So I've got 4 charge wells here. I just released designs for 2 variants of these on Thingiverse. So I've got a 10 gram, 5, 2, and a half gram. As you can see, I already did some tests on the half and 2 just to see how they were doing. But we're going to load all of these up with their designed black powder loads, so half, 2, 5, and 10, and set them off and see how they do. It should be noted before I get going, I am wearing sunglasses that are safety glasses. They are, where's the rating? I can't find the rating on them. They are safety glasses. The package was labeled as safety glasses. So like, I'm safe and I'm gonna be a respectable distance back, because if one of these goes wrong, it is dangerous. If you're gonna be doing testing of charge systems, please do it in a safe and a controlled manner, outdoors and with supervision. It's always important to have another person with you in case something goes horribly wrong. So with that, let's start with the lightest load and get going. All right, so we have our half gram charge up. I've got the wires. You always want to check them when you're using any sort of ignition system. Make sure there's no sparking. I know the other end's not attached to anything, but you just want to make sure there's no sparking. You do this even before a rocket launch. I do it on every test with anything that is energetic. So, half a gram in 3, 2, 1. 2 gram charge in 3, 2, 1. 5 gram charge in 3, 2, 1. 10 gram charge in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we set off our half, 2, 5, and 10 gram charges with no ill effects. So partially I just wanted to show you guys here that if you download and print these files, they will hold up when you're setting charges off in them. They do start to show some wear after multiple uses. Like this half gram one is showing a lot of wear just because it's so small. But even the larger ones, full 10 grams were packed into this tube and it looks just fine. A little bit of charring and melting. Be sure when you print these, you print them out of PETG or something that can take some temperature, such as some of the advanced PLAs. You just really want to make sure it's in something that's not going to detonate on you or melt too much as you use it. If you're only looking to use one use, you probably can get away with PLA. Just be sure you be careful in everything you do and do test runs before you actually fly it in any of your rockets. So, thanks for watching, gang. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in looking at any of these charge wells, there's going to be a link to the charge wells I've dropped on Thingiverse in the description below. And if you're interested in helping out the channel, please consider liking and subscribing, as that helps me out a ton. See y'all in the next video, gang.